Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the cameras on the Google Pixel 3 XL mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The first step is the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Carefully work around on the edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic car pry tool and gently cut the adhesive around. While you are taking out the back cover, be gentle. The Touch ID sensor is attached to the back cover. To unplug the Touch ID, move the rear cover to the left hand side and disconnect the flex cable by pulling the tape and the connector. Next, undo 4 screws and remove the bracket on the right hand side, and then disconnect 7 connector plugs on it. Next, peel the tape and undo 2 screws to remove the small bracket. Then undo the plug. Next, undo 5 screws to take out the logic board bracket on top. Next, move to the top and release 3 screws to remove the bracket. Next, disconnect the plug near the rear camera and unplug both front cameras by using a pry tool. A quick note, it is not required to take off the logic board to replace the front cameras. So if you have a broken front camera, replace the required front camera and reassemble the phone. Next, to take out the logic board, undo 2 more screws and the plug. Now gradually lift the board while moving the other flex cables. Be gentle and lift the board, and then rotate the board and disconnect the rear camera. Replace the back camera and start the reassembly process. First, place the logic board in the body. Be gentle and slowly move other flex cables while placing it. Next, insert 2 screws and secure the logic board, and then connect 7 flex cables to the logic board. Make sure the connections are secured and then plug 2 front cameras into the logic board. Now place the bracket by adding 3 screws on the top. Next, add the shield by adding 2 screws. Next, place the logic board bracket by locking in 5 screws. Next, add the long bracket by inserting 4 screws. Finally, we can add the main backer with the Touch ID sensor. Connect the Touch ID and ensure the connection is secured. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.